Hi friends, welcome to Laxmiles 31. I am Sai Lakshmi, hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a parameter and how to use it. Let's get started. A parameter is a workbook variable such as number, date or string that can replace a constant value in a calculation, filter or reference line. Parameter allows us to add records or future records which is not readily available in the dataset. Let me explain with an example. For example, we can create a calculated field which returns true or false in the filter shelf when we drag the calculated field to the filter shelf. And the logic would be something like this, like if the sales is greater than 50,000, it will display true or else it will display false. You can replace the constant value of 50,000 in the formula, in the calculated field, with a parameter. What a parameter does is it will replace the value with something you will provide dynamically. Then using the parameter control, you can dynamically change the threshold in your calculation. Let me show you how it can be done in the Tableau public application. Let me open Tableau public application. I have the Tableau public application open and it is ready to use. I have taken sample superstore data and I have created a blank sheet and named it as how to create and use parameter. So first I am taking a dimension, state, and I'm taking a measure sales. I'm dropping the sales to text. Now a text chart has been created and it is simply displaying the sales by state. Now let's get into the parameter concept, how to create and how to use it. I am selecting the measure sales and right clicking on it, and there is a menu called create. Under create menu there is an option to create parameter. This way you can create a parameter. This is the first way, and let me show you another way of creating a parameter. There's a drop down over here, and when you click on that you will see an option called create parameter. This is another way of creating parameter. You can select anything you like. So for now I am clicking on create parameter, and you can provide any comments which is related to the data and why you are creating the parameter. For now I am deselecting it. Here you can select the data types required. I told you in the previous slide, right? So we will be able to create a workbook variable which is float data type, a number or string or boolean or date in date and time. So you can select anything which you feel like. For now I am selecting integer and I am providing a value, current value, and a parameter. I am clicking on OK to create a parameter. This is a simple way of creating parameter, and let me right click on it and show parameter. So this is a simple way of creating parameter. Until and unless we use a parameter in a calculated field, it would do nothing to your sheet. So for example, let me put some value over here. I am providing 20 over here and clicking on enter. Nothing is changing in the sheet. So this is a useless parameter for us for the sheet which has been created. So let me create another parameter and show you how it will affect the sheet. Now I am right clicking on sales and creating a parameter. So why I right clicked on sales is like it will automatically consider the data type which is related to sales. So we don't have to particularly choose what data type we need. So when we create on the on which we are trying to create a parameter. That means, for example, if I want to display the sales which is greater than 10,000, so I am considering the sales as the base field for the parameter. Now it will automatically pick the data type of sales, and whatever value we provide, it will consider based on that. So instead of range, I am selecting all and clicking on OK. Now the sales parameter has been created. I am clicking on show parameter, and now I am providing 10,000 over here. Let's check if something will change over here. As soon as I click on enter, nothing is changing because I didn't use this in a calculated field. Until and unless we use the parameter in a calculated field, this is of no use to the sheet. So I'm going to create a calculated field and use the parameter in that. Now I'm clicking on the drop down menu and clicking on the create calculated field option. So now I'm trying to write a logic over here. Sales greater than sales parameter, and I am providing the calculated field name as sales threshold. Now I am clicking OK and dragging the calculated field to filter shelf and selecting true. Now since we have provided 10,000, we will be able to see the data which is greater than 10,000 over here. Let me change the value to 5,000 and let's see if something will change over here or not. I have provided 5,000 and I am clicking on it. I have provided 5,000 and clicking on enter. Now we are able to see the value 6,355, which is greater than 5,000. Earlier we were able to see only the records which are greater than 10,000. Let me recreate it again. Now let me filter it with 15,000. Now we are able to see 2 records only. Yeah, this is how we can create a we can create a parameter and we can use it in the calculated field so that it will dynamically change our data, or it will help us dynamically change the records available in the sheet or report. And it won't alter anything in the data, it will only display the data which is available with the threshold we have provided. Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmails31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.